For the month of January, I'm participating in the Kickstarter Make 100 challenge. So the rewards are structured as this. It's totes. We're gonna make selvedge denim totes from real selvedge fabric. Some may have prints, some may not have prints, some may have pockets, some may not have pockets. So there are different variations. We're gonna make bookmarks from selvedge denim fabric, red line. So all of them, it's a bookmark. We may reinforce with leather. We'll see how that goes. We're gonna make a card case. This is the template of the card case. Using selvedge denim fabric, we're gonna have to use a heavier weight so that the card case have enough structural support, and may or may not have some additional features attached to it. But there will be a selvedge, and everything's real selvedge denim. There are also gonna be aprons. Apron from selvedge denim. This is a sample of an apron with one large pocket. This fabric is regular standard denim. When we make them, we're gonna use selvedge denim fabric. The fabric is red line. These are dead stock fabric that may have been resurrected from what was the American mill of fabrics. And so there are a few of them hanging around. There'll be some leather features, which is standard leather that will add to it. So join me for this Kickstarter and see what we have done.